When connecting your iPhone to iTunes via USB, you might see software update failed or unknown error 56. This can leave your iPhone stuck on the restore screen. What is error 56? What causes it? How can we fix it? Let's find out. Part 1. What is iPhone error 56? Incorrect installation or uninstallation of some software, glitches in your system operation, improper system shutdown because of power failure, accidental deletion on a necessary system file, a false antivirus detection. Part 2. How to fix iPhone error 56 in 6 solutions. Solution 1. Try another USB cable, connector, or port. Solution 2. Update iTunes. Each time iTunes update comes out with patches that fix iOS update error 56 from the previous version. Solution 3. Update software on your computer. One possibility is that your computer does not support the current iOS version, so you can update it on your machine. Solution 4. Check the security software or antivirus. The antivirus software may sometimes mistakenly marks iTunes as a virus after scanning the genuine software, which leads to this problem. Solution 5. Boot your iPhone in DFU mode. DFU mode can directly skip the iBoot. Directly get into the programming mode of iPhone hardware. Then it'll update the firmware of your device to fix possible bugs. Solution 6. Force restart iPhone. Forced restart is usually used to tackle many problems, such as mobile phone crash, latency, error 56 on iTunes during a restore or update, etc. Part 3. Ultimate solution: fix error code 56 with iOS system recovery. Many Apple users may still be puzzled by this problem because the methods above are not universal. Okay, next up is the ultimate solution: fixing iPhone error 56 with professional software. You can give iOS system recovery a try. Steps to fix iPhone error 56 with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Opt for the iOS system recovery module. Step 2. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Step 3. Repair iTunes or iPhone error 56. To fix error 56, try the methods mentioned. Keep iOS system recovery handy for quick fixes. Thanks for watching.